mathematical reasoning tool. So we're going to see whatever is relevant to the examination point of view. All those things we will discuss. I request people to sit with pen and paper for working out along with me. So passive learning will not be helpful for mathematical reasoning, data interpretation and all. So kindly sit with pen and paper. And I need your participation in the session, so be active while answering. Okay, I hope everybody sees the slideshow.
Yes, sir.
So number series, a very prominent model in NET examination. So number series, from one number to other number, there would be a relationship exist. So your duty is to find the relationship between one number and another number and establish the same in the place of dash. Got it? So how to find out? Very simple. 1, 5, 13, 25,
Hello.
41. Yes, ma'am?
Sir, I'm not able to see your PC, sir.
Ma'am, you need to pin my screen. Kindly check the chat box or in the members area. I will be sharing two screens. One will be my audio, another will be my video. So kindly pin my video screen. See, it would be like this. Who is not able to see the screen? Ma'am, you see there are two Balamurli here. One is audio. Okay. This is the video. Kindly click the pin button so that you can see my presentation. One, 5, 13, 25, 41. So see the relationship between one number and another number. What is the difference between these two? These two? These two?
So
4, 7,
4,
4, 7, 12.
4, 7. No, 4, 8.
4, 8, sir. 4, 8, 12.
Sorry, 4, 8, 12.
16, 20.
Correct. The difference is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Correct? So the next difference should be 20, correct? 41 plus 20?
61.
61.
What the answer? See, basics of mathematical reasoning is you should be comfortable with the tables 1 to 10. So from 11 to 20, we are having a shortcut method that we will teach anyway. And number 2, some 2-digit multiplication, 3-digit multiplication, you should be very fast. Square table, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, up to 25, memorize. Cube table, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8. What is 3 cube?
27, sir.
27. Very good. So all these things you should keep in mind. And a factorial table. So these are some basics of mathematics. So those who know the fourth table definitely can operate this problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And believe me that it is a question from your previous year NET question paper. Okay, you try to solve this. Take 1 minute.
Answer is 83, sir.
Very good.
83.
Yeah. What is the difference?
8, 8,
12,
4, 8,
8,
8,
12,
8,
16,
12,
20,
16, 20,
16,
24.
16,
20, then
20, 24.
34.
24. Okay. So 69 plus 24 equal to 83. So it is not only in 4 table model, sometimes any table model it may come. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it's the series 4, 5, 8, 13, 14, 17, 22 is continued in the same pattern. Which of the following is not part of the series? Can anybody answer this? Very simple. This is again a type of number series where they followed odd number series. Now check out the pattern.
C. Answer C, sir.
Yes.
33.
Yeah. You try to check out the pattern now. What's the pattern? 4 to 5. What's the difference? 1.
1,
Others, please close your mic. Yeah. 3. 8 to 13.
5,
5,
15 to 14.
1,
14 to 17. 70 to 22. 5.
5.
What is the series? 1, 3, 5. Like this, it has to go on. So 22 plus 1, 23. 23 plus 3, 26. 26 plus 5.
31.
Yeah, I will write the next row. 31. Okay, 31 plus 1. 32. 32 plus 3. 35.
35.
Stop here. Why? I can stop up to 35.
Because of the option.
Because the options are limited to 35, stop your calculation to 35. That would be sufficient to answer. They're asking which is the term which is not given in the series. So 33 is the only term which is not given in the series. Got it? This is odd number serial. Number series, odd number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is another model. How
Sir,
many pairs?
sir, answer for bold is already answer for.
Oh, no problem. Let it be. No problem. So number series, they are given the series of number and they're asking how many pairs of successive numbers have a difference of 2 each. Successive number means number next to each other. That's called successive number. Plus 2, minus 2, don't worry about that because they mentioned difference to each. So how many such pairs are available? Take 1 minute.
6,
sir.
sir.
Okay, what are they?
6, 4, 4, 2, 5, 3, 8, 6, 3, 5, and 8, 6.
Why not 1, 3?
1,
You have
3.
taken 3, 5, right? In that place, 3, 5 you have taken here, right?
So 7.
What about 1, 3?
Sir, 3 is included with 5, or 3 may be included with 5 or 1 only.
Either are only, not in both.
Either. Yes, sir.
Correct. So let us operate. Others listen.
Answer 7 is not a option in answers, so 6 will be the option.
Yeah. So 6, 4. This is one pair, successive number. 2 difference. 4, 2. Successive pair. 2 difference. 5, 3. 8, 6. Right? You either take 1, 3 or 3, 5. That is up to you, because 3 has to be used only one at a time. Got it? 6 pairs. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Letter series, again a repeated, highly repeated question in NET examinations. Letter series follows the same logic like number series. So here we need to know the position of alphabets. A comes in which place? First place. B comes in the second place. Z comes in the 26th place. So these positions, if you know, it will be perfect. Okay. So before operating letter series, look at every letter separately.
So KGL.
Where first letter in option A and second letter in option A, option B. I'm sorry, first letter in option A and first letter in option B, first letter in option C, first letter in option D. So here it is G, H, L, K respectively, right? So we can directly operate the first letter because all letters are different. If, for example, all the first letters or majority of the first letters of A, B, C, D starts with G, it means you should not operate the first letter. Got it? There is a possibility that answer lies on the first, for example, GLK, GLM, GHM, and KGL. In this case, you should not operate this first letter. So this is the first letter which you are going to operate, correct? If all the options are starting or majority options are starting with the same letter, then don't operate it. You will not get the answer shortly. It is a complicated procedure. Understood? Rather, okay, A to B, what is the distance? +1.
Plus 1.
B to D,
2, sir.
Plus 2.
D to G.
3, sir. Plus 3.
Then what will be the next step?
K, sir. Plus
4,
Oh,
sir.
J, K. So when you see K here, just to pick and move on because this is the only option starting with the K. Understood? Look at the same question. The middle letter, kindly close your mic once you have answered. Kindly close your mic. It's a mathematical reasoning session, so there will be little stress will be on both the sides. Try to understand.
Sir, in this example, we can consider last letter also now because there is no.
Yeah. Last letter K, M, M. But how come M is there? You cannot consider. M is repeated twice.
E, D, E, F, only one. F, G, only one. And J, only one. That is, if it has
You understand? See, the first position G, H, L, K. Everything is different. Except for the remaining.
okay.
Is it the same?
Hmm.
Yes. 2 times it is coming. M is coming 2 times in the third position. L is coming 2 times in the second position. So if you are taking that, it is okay, but that takes more time to answer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Others understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And don't check for whether GL is correct or not. It's a schooling procedure. Don't do that. If you are doing that, you will get the answer, but again, you need to spend your time. And this examination is having time constraint also. You know it very well, right?
Yes, sir.
So don't waste your time like that. So if you know K is the first letter, then D is the only option having K as the first letter. Proceed. Move on to next one. Yeah, this you can operate and tell me. Very simple.
Option C.
Option C. Very good. So I'll operate now. A, B, E, D, C, F, G, H, I, then dash. So this means 2 letters in the forward direction, A, B, C, D, E, reverse direction 3 letters. Am I right? F, G, H, I, forward direction 4 letters, then reverse direction 5 letters. What are they? I, J, K, L, M, N. That's all. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Believe me, it's from net question paper.
D is the answer.
Okay, this is a combination of both number and letter series. How to operate it? So I will segregate both so that it is easy.
So J58Q, both options, sir.
Yeah. So if you are good at numbers, you can go with numbers. If you are good at alphabet, go with alphabet. So I go with numbers.
So difference is the prime number.
Can you mute from your side? Once you complete the conversation, don't forget to mute. 2 into 2 plus 1, 5, correct? 5 into 2 plus 2, 12, correct? 12 into 2 plus 3. What is the series going on? See here. Into 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, correct? Then what would be here? 27 into
Plus 4.
into 2 plus 4. So what is the answer?
58.
58. I get the answer. But in this question, we cannot go wisely because you see the first letter J appears twice. The number 62 appears twice. The last letter Q appears twice.
Sir, first and last alphabets we can easily count it, sir. B, C, we can take D. E, we take F. G, we take H. We take I, and we will get J. So we have 2 J's.
Yeah,
If we
so
take the
option A and
last
B.
alphabets, F, G,
Between A
2
and B.
letters we have to take, sir. H, I, J we take. Then K, L, M, N, L, M we take, N will be there, and N, O, P will be taken, and
It is not
O,
taken,
P,
it is
Q,
left.
Q will be. I mean, we remove and we will have it.
Remove.
This is the logic.
Yeah, fine. Who is this? Because I will not see people name here once you talk.
Lata, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Welcome.
I also use that technique, sir.
Okay, okay. If you're strong with numbers, you can go with the number technique also. This is also a number
Okay.
series. Remember, into
Okay,
2 plus
sir.
1 model. It may be in any model.
Okay.
This is called coding and decoding, highly repeated one. In a particular language, hospitals is written as hospitals. Okay, it is written as HSOLSAPTI. So what is the relationship? Okay, H is the
Alternate.
correct.
Alternate letters come.
It is not
No,
alternate.
last one. H is the first one and S is the last one.
It is like a zigzag. See here. H, listen carefully. S, O, L, S, A, P, T, I. Correct? First letter, last letter. Second first, second last. Third first, third last, and so on. Got it, ma'am? Methodology?
Yes, sir.
So biologicals, the same method you need to follow. As per procedure, first letter, then
Yes, sir.
yes, last letter. Now stop here, look at the answer. BS is appearing is only D. No other options as BS. Just tick and move on. It saves your time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you're taking for entire biological, it eats up 5 minutes. Be smart. Okay. This is also a coding and decoding model. 7.
Sir, can you please repeat earlier one?
Yeah. Ma'am, it is the arrangement is like first letter, last letter, second first letter, second last, third first letter, third last. So what is the first letter? H. Last letter? Yes. HS. Second letter and second last letter? OL. Third
OL.
letter and third last letter? SA.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it. Got it.
Yeah. 7, 13, 2, 14, 6. Flame. So many of you played this great game, right? For childhood. Flame. Right. So what is the position of F in alphabetical order?
6.
6. So what is the position
Plus
given?
one.
7. So it is 6 plus 1. L position? Count ABC. 12.
12 plus 1.
A's position 1 plus 1. 13 position.
13 plus 1.
M position 13 plus 1. E position 5 plus.
5 plus 1.
Now do the same for 3, 13, 16, 2, 21. See, one methodology is operating as usual. This thing. Smart way. See the similarity between 7, 13, etc. to 3, 13, etc. What is the similarity? 13 is there in both, correct?
Yes, sir.
L.
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 A is there in both. 2 is there in both, so I can take A.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we got the clue. Second position is L, and the fourth position is A. Check out the option. Only option below which has second position as L and the fourth position as A. Yes or no? All of the options are not
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's your answer. That's all. Move on. Clear? Some base understanding. So this one would be a little tricky but easy. I need your attention. So 6, 4, 5. It means Day is warm. So don't write a full sentence. For your understanding, I'm writing it. If possible, D is W could be better one. Second line start with 4-2. Warm spring, correct? So whenever you see a similarity, try to write corresponding to that so that you can, next step would be easy. 6-3-4. Spring is sunny. Okay. Now they want what is called sunny.
Spring represents 4, sir.
What
6 represents.
So it is little bit confusing. So you need to start from where actually the question is. Question is in the third sentence, correct? Third line. Spring is sunny. There is the question. What is sunny? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the similarity between third line and the first line? Third line and second line. So first we will take third and second.
Means and spring.
Spring and we cancel.
Yes, spring
So,
and
so 4
spring
is 6 spring.
can be cancelled. Spring cancel. Likewise, what is similar? 4 cancel. Up to this fine.
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No doubt. But don't ask me
Cool and spring.
4 in the first sentence also. What
Yes,
is
sir.
there is no spring in the first sentence. That is not our duty. What we need is answer for sunny. Other investigations we should not do. Okay.
We have to
Sir,
check
if
whether
we
6 or
consider first and second statement, then warm is common and
That's what
phone
I am
number is
telling.
common.
First and second statement you should not consider. Where the question coming from, start from there. That's what I said. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
First and second you should not consider because there is no question there. Question starts from sunny, which is in third. Then
we have to cancel 6, sir.
yes, that get cancelled. Sorry, yes.
3 and naturally sunny, sir.
So sunny refers to 3. That's all.
Three.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is pretty easy. Relationship. Bee, honey, cow, milk, teacher.
Wisdom, sir.
Wisdom. Good. Any difference of opinion?
No.
Yes. Warrior sword. Author dash.
Sir,
Pen.
once again, they explain, sir, that
Sir, book.
Author book. Okay. Pen. Okay. Then it refers to the tool they are
Pen,
using.
sir. Pen.
Author means it is pen. Reader means it is book. Understood?
yes, sir.
Okay. Price of petrol increases by 25%. By what percentage must a customer reduce the consumption so that earlier bill on the petrol does not alter? Okay, frank question. How many of you do budgeting to your home? Monthly budget? How many of you are doing monthly budget? Can easily answer this. No one is doing monthly budget?
No, sir.
No monthly
Just
budget.
blind. No, sir.
So expenditure as it is. There is no idea about which month you spent more or which month you spent less. And I am sure that there is no idea about what you are going to do after your retirement. So it is the age that you should not believe your own kids, that they will save you in the older age.
Sir, here petrol price has been increased by 25%, sir. They asked if they increase the price, we cannot do it. So we can reduce our consumption
That
from
is what I'm asking.
25% to,
What is
of course,
the reduction
it will
percentage?
be reduced. Of
What
course,
is the
it is
reduction
below
percentage?
25.
Okay.
It should be below 25% only. So only option available 20%, sir.
That is guesswork, that is okay, but let us see. See, it's a percentage problem. Whenever price is not given, we should consider cost price as 100. Okay. How much price increase it now?
25%.
25%.
125, which is new price, correct?
Yes, sir.
Last month, you purchased 1 liter of petrol. Assume that last month you purchased 1 liter of petrol, but the same 1 liter cost this month 125, correct?
Yes, sir.
But you will not spend more than 100 rupees for petrol. So how much would you get now? 125 is 1 liter price. For 100 rupees, how much you will get?
95.
95. Let us assume that you are running the petrol bunk. 1 liter is 125. Somebody is giving you 100 rupees, and whatever comes for 100 rupees is okay. So how much quantity you will give them? You are the owner of petrol bunk now. Now decide.
800 ml, sir.
0.75.
800 ml. Very good.
800 ml.
So how it is 800 ml? See here, listen carefully.
Point 0.75 ml, sir.
No. 0.8 liters or 800 ml. See, for 125 rupees, okay, how much you get? 1000 milliliter, correct? 125 rupees, you get 1000 milliliter. How much you get for 100 rupees? That's what the question, correct? 800, that's all. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now you all remember that percentage decrease formula, increase decrease formula. What is
Yes,
that?
sir. Current value minus
Current
previous year
value
value.
minus previous value.
Previous year.
Previous value into 100.
What is current value?
125, sir.
No. Quantity we need to talk, because
Oh.
the question is about consumption. See here, this point. What is current
800.
value for 100 rupees? 800. Correct. This is your current consumption. What is previous consumption?
1000, sir.
1000.
For others, is that clear?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
kindly explain the previous step again, sir.
When the price of the petrol is assumed to be 100 rupees, if the price is not given, you keep it as 100%.
Yes.
Okay. Then the price increases by 25%. It becomes 125. Now the price of 125 liter, price of 1 liter is 125 rupees.
Yes, sir.
How much you get for 100? That is 800.
Okay. Yeah.
Then normal current value, previous
Yes, sir.
value,
Yes, sir.
consumption, usage, anything. The formula is same. Understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
This, can you operate and tell me the answer? Take 1 minute.
25, sir.
Okay. Tell me the steps.
Sir, is it like 50 minus 150 divided by, sorry,
No, no P and all. Here also number is not
150
given.
minus 50 divided by,
Here also the price is not given, correct?
I assumed 100 rupees, sir.
Very good. 100 rupees you should assume. First decrease, correct?
yes, sir.
Minus 50. What is 50% of 100? Please close your mic if you are not talking. 50, correct? Okay, remaining 50. Then they increase the price by 50%, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is 50% of 50?
25.
25.
Yes.
Will come 7.
The current price is 75 rupees. Now they are asking what is loss percentage. Again,
Increase or decrease formula.
increase or decrease. You don't need to put the formula. You can directly say that 100 75 rupees. It means 25% loss. Got it?
Yes, sir.
For this, you should not use formula because they're not asking increase, decrease. They're asking the loss. Understood? This one also pretty easy.
Sir, அந்த sum ஒருத்தர் தமிழ்ல explain பண்ணுங்க sir, please.
இந்த sum தானே ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Price 100 rupees இருக்கு ma'am. Decrease 50%. 50% குறையுது. So 100 minus 50, 50. So இப்போ 50 ல இருந்து 50% increase பண்றாங்க. 50 ல 50% எவ்வளோ? 25.
25%. Okay, sir.
So increase ன்றதால ஆட் பண்ணோம். 50 plus 25, 75. அவ்வளவுதான். இப்போ டிஃபரன்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஃபரன்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 25%.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
So you operate this, take 1 minute. So let's operate. In an examination, 35% of total students failed in Hindi, 45% failed in English. So let us assume this is a percentage problem. The total strength is not given. So we need to assume 100 students as total strength, correct? Out of which 35 failed in Hindi, correct? And 45 failed in English. And 20 failed in both. Why I need to deduct 20? Any idea about this?
Common for both.
Because it is both.
Yeah, they are included in this 35% and 45%.
This is already included.
Yeah, so to get the right percentage, we should exclude. So 100 minus 60 is the next step, correct? That's all. Clear?
Sir,
Yes.
why we take 20?
That is given
Because
in the
already including that percentage.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
why you? What is the reason, sir?
Sir, they failed in both the subjects. Sir, try to understand.
Okay.
They failed in both the subjects. That is already included in 35 and 45.
Okay.
That
Okay.
means some extra students were included.
Okay, sir. Fine. Fine.
So in a diagram wise, if you look at, see, diagram wise, it will be like this. And this is 20, sir. Now you see 20 is included in both. So we need to deduct. Understood?
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
A shop owner charges 15% more than cost price. If the customer paid 1035, what is the cost price? Now understand, cost price refers to the cost of making a product. Let us say you are having pen in hand, correct? In your hand you are having a pen. The cost of manufacturing the pen, that is called the cost price, plus the seller or manufacturer will have some cushion which is called profit. Cost price plus profit is called selling price. Any doubt on this? Let us assume 100 rupees is the cost price and profit is 50 rupees. What is the selling price? 150 rupees. That is why
15 or 15, sir.
Pardon, ma'am?
Profit is 15%. I mean 15 or 50, sir. 1
That
5
is,
or
ma'am,
5.
there is no relationship between the example we are seeing now and the question. Just I am explaining what is cost price, what is profit, what is selling price. Now the customer paid 1035. Is it a cost price or selling price?
Selling price.
It's a selling price. It means which is cost price plus profit, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this 1035 is a combination of cost price 100% plus what is profit?
15%.
What is the cost price?
We need to find it. Okay.
Okay, now find it out. 1035 divided by 115 into 100. What's the answer?
Sir, can you simplify this?
900, sir. Sir, the answer is 900. Sir.
The answer is 900. The answer is right. Okay. So what is 10 times of 1150? Just an approximation method.
Yes.
115 into 10 times? 1150. So 1035 is less than 1150. The next possible number I can check with 9. It exactly cancels by 9 times.
Okay, sir.
That's all. Or you can use 5 table, minimize it. The 2 more steps you need to proceed. This is the easiest method. Because answers are in whole numbers, correct? And we are also having 100 here. Then I can cancel all the zeros because of 100. Cancel all the zeros and see 115 is 6 times, 7 times, 8 times or 9 times. Which one that we need to select? Understood, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
A profit made by selling a product for 850 is equal to loss made by selling it for 650. See, they're selling a product in 2 different prices. One is 850, another is 650. But the profit they make and the loss they make out of this 2 transactions would be the same amount. For example, if it is profit 100 rupees and loss 100 rupees, or profit 200, loss 200. Have you understood? Profit made by selling a product for rupees 850 is equal to loss made by selling it for 650. That means 850 they get a profit and 650 they get a loss. And they're telling that profit and the loss both are equal amount. Got it? Yes or no?
Time, please.
Okay, so I operate the problem so that you can understand the question. So they are selling something, the product for 850 rupees. This 850 rupees is having a profit, right? That amount we don't know because they mentioned it is a profit made on 850. I am deducting it. Profit minus, sorry, selling price minus profit equal to dash.
Loss.
Cost price,
Cost price.
Cost.
Put it other way around. Cost price, this minus profit comes to other side, it becomes plus profit, selling price. Understood? Both are same. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
So this 850 minus X becomes one cost price. Correct? This part.
Yes, sir.
On 650, they are telling they're selling the product for 650 and they're making a loss. See here. And this loss I add up with the cost price. Sorry, I see here now. Selling price one minute. See, anything sold below the cost price, that is called loss. You manufacture a product for 100 rupees and you are selling for 100 rupees, that becomes loss. See here, loss means cost price minus loss. This becomes selling price. Yes or no? Sometimes.
Yes.
You get this, right? I sold it for loss. How that happens? The selling price goes below the cost price. The cost of manufacturing 1 kilo sugar is 60 rupees and you are selling for 30 rupees. What happens? Loss. You can see that the price of tomato, sometime hyper profit, sometime hyper loss, abnormal loss. Correct? So selling price not necessarily should be always in profit. It may be a loss also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here they made a loss. This X is the loss amount and here this X is profit amount. So with the 650 selling price, they are adding the loss to know what is actual cost price. Understood this part? 650 plus X.
Yes,
They
sir.
mentioned that the loss and the profit amount are same. That's why we keep it as XX. Otherwise, it will be XY. Now, as per mathematical procedure, X will be in one side, numbers will be in other side. So, I bring this plus X to the other side. So, what it becomes? Already minus X is there. Minus X plus minus X. Minus 2X. Then 650 is here. I take this 850 to other side. So minus 850 plus 650 equal to minus 200. Then 200 divided by 2, 100 minus minus cancelled, X equal to 100. It means X is 100 rupees. Okay, now I stop here and I will check the transaction. 850 minus 100 equal to 650 plus 100. Both are equal, yes or no?
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you understand the question?
yes.
Now read the question. You will understand now clearly. Correct? So the question is, we know the cost price of the product is 750. Correct? Now we know the cost price of the product is 750 because we add up the loss and we deduct the profit from selling price, we will get it. Understood? Selling
Yes.
price plus loss equal to cost price. Selling price minus profit equal to cost price. See, it is not a technical subject topic. Any business class can easily understand. Okay. Cost price is 750. That we got here. Correct. Now they are telling you to make a profit 30% on the cost price. So 750 into 130, or you find 30% from 750 and add up with 750, you will get 975. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Others? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That comes by practice. How do you write 850 minus x and 650 plus x? That comes through practice. Okay. Manoj commission is 10% sales up to 10,000 rupees. After 10,000 rupees, whatever he sells, he get 5% commission. Correct? At the end of the day, he remits. That is, he gives amount to the management, 75,500 after deducting his commission. Correct? Now let us understand. See here, this is the logic, right? 10,000 rupees, 10% commission, correct? As per the question. How much he gets?
1,000
rupees. For the remaining amount, whatever he does, he get 5%, correct? We don't know the amount. And this becomes his total commission, correct? Yes or no? 1,000 plus something is the total commission, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And how much he remitted?
75,500.
75,500. Now the remitted and commission equal to total sales, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Remitted plus commission equal to total sales. Up to this, any doubt you can ask me now.
No, sir.
Whatever given in the question, I have written. And whatever we don't know, I have given the space. That's it. Okay, now we are going to operate a trial and error procedure. That is, from the answers, we are going to do a reverse work. Since I know the answer, I can take answer directly. I don't want to waste the time. So 80,000 is the total sales. Correct? Assuming one by one trial and error we need to go. So 80,000 is the right answer. I will show you why it becomes the right answer. Logically also it's correct. So out of the 80,000, try to understand 10,000 sales already done. How much is remaining?
70,000.
70,000. 70,000 5% commission. How much?
3500.
3,500. What is the total of 1,000 and 3,500?
4,500.
Now total it you will get 80,000.
80,000.
If you take other values 78,000, 85,000 and all, you will not tally it.
அவர் என்ன சொல்றாரு 80,000 10,000க்கு 1000 ரூபாய் சரியா அப்ப 80,000ல மீதி எவ்வளவு இருக்கும் 70,000 உன்னோடதான் ஆப்ஷன்ல போட்டு போட்டு பார்க்க சொல்றாரு
மேம் அப்புறமா சொல்லி தரலாம் எல்லாருக்கும் கேக்குது
அந்த மாதிரி யோசிக்காம 4 ஆப்ஷன்ல தான் ஒண்ணு அதுலயே நீங்க சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணி பாருங்க அதை தாண்டி யோசிக்காதீங்கன்றது
மேடம் மியூட் யுவர் மைக் கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்ச உடனே பொறுமையா சொல்லி கொடுங்க அர்ஜென்ட்லாம் கிடையாது understood the problem everybody how to operate
Sir, if you take 90,000 what would have happened?
If you take
90,000
operate it like this 90,000 he remitted 75,500 already 10% for first 10,000 what is remaining 80,000 what is 5% of 80,000
4,000
then 5,000 what is 75,500 plus 5,000
80,500
the answer we need
no
not get it
not working
That's what I'm telling. Only one answer will get tally, not other answers. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, 60% of A minus B. That is 60 into A minus B equal to 40 by 100 into A plus B. Correct? This is what given in the question. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You are seeing a equal to symbol, max shortcut. Don't forget, whenever you are seeing equal to symbol, numerator to numerator direct cancel, denominator to denominator direct cancel. See here, denominator to denominator direct cancel over. Whenever you see equal to, this procedure you can apply. Okay, numerator to numerator, 0, 0 cancel. And I can also use a common table, 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Correct? So 3A minus B equal to 2A plus B. Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now write it. 3A minus 3B equal to 2A minus 2B. So A will be in one side.
2A plus 2.
So 3A minus 2A, what you will get? A.
2A plus 2B.
Oh, sorry, plus. So A will be in one side and B will be in the other side. So this 2A comes to the other side, it becomes minus 2A, correct? 3A minus 2A? A. This minus 3B goes to other side. Plus 3B. 2B plus 3B?
5B.
5B.
5B. Now the value of A is 1 and the value of 5 is, sorry, value of B is 5, correct? Now they are asking what is A by B into 100. That is 1 into 100, 20%. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they are giving percentage problem again, percentage increase, decrease. During 1 year, the population of the town increased by 5%. Okay, so first year, the population of the town increased by 5%. They are not giving the value, they just said increased by 5%. What is the actual value then? 5% is 100, correct? Then they are telling that the next year the population decreased by 5%. What is the actual value? 100.
95 divided by 95.
95.
Now the value you are getting is 29,925 after the second year. What they are asking you is, what was the population size in the beginning of first year? What is the population size in the beginning of first year? So it is as same as the problem we operated already. They said 50% increase and 50% decrease. Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Or you should operate like this. The answer is 30,000. If you are doing like this, you will get 30,000. This is the easiest way. A little complicated procedure is also there. First year population, we don't know, right? Second year population also, we don't know. At the end of second year, we are having 29,925, correct? That is what is the question.
The population decreased by 5%. Then we have taken on 100 only deducted. Why not on 105?
Ma'am, that is increased. 105 is for increased, 95 is for decrease. Okay, I'll operate anyway in this method also. So you take 29,925. What happened in the second year? Read the question.
Decreased by 5%.
Decreased by 5%, correct? So decrease means 100 divided by 95, correct? Actually it is 100. Because of decrease 95, we should find out actual. What it comes? 31,500, correct? This is the population at the end of the first year, beginning of the second year, correct? End of the first year means December 31. Beginning of the second year means January 1. Now, again, what happened in the first year end? Population increased, correct?
Yes, sir.
31,500 into 100 divided by 105. Clear?
Sir, why we should keep it as 100 by 105, sir?
Ma'am, it is a percentage problem. What is percentage out of 100, correct?
Oh,
Percentage
yes,
is out
sir.
of 100. So we take 100 as a basement for everything. Get it?
Yes, sir.
See, cost price also we have taken 100 because it is a percentage problem. The class student strength, the class students problem, failed in Hindi, English, we have taken the total as 100, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same logic. So whether in this model or in this model, whatever way you are comfortable, that is fine. Clear?
Yes, sir. Second one is logic, sir.
Second model is understandable.
Yes, sir. Logic also.
Okay, okay, it's up to you. Fine. Up to this, we'll stop today because too much load of mathematics won't be helpful. How was the class? How do you feel about your confidence level in mathematics?
I gained, this is Divya, sir. I gained how to approach the question, sir. That was really helpful.
Yeah, you need to break the question. Then
Instead
go
of
into
finding the meaning inside the question, you just wanted to check the options and find the logic. That's all.
See, it's all about logic. It is not about, going through meaning. Since you are from a language background, you people get into, language part of it, but we get into part of it.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Last question we are not solved completely.
Ma'am, solved the last question. Answer is 30,000, both way.
Okay. Thanks a lot, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Anybody else?
No, today I have understood some logic, how to solve that.
Yes,
Percentage.
mathematics is full of logic. There is no magic. Okay. So if you understand the logic, any question, just by looking at the problem, just by mind calculation, you can crack. Like what we did today. All the questions are from net question paper.
Yes, sir.
So we'll go by concept by concept. We have seen number series, letter series, percentage today.
Tomorrow also mathematical reasoning will continue.
Yeah, next 3-4 days it is mathematical reasoning only.
Okay. Because lot of questions.
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
அது ஒரு சம்ல வந்து பேர்ஸ் போட்டிருந்தீங்க இல்லைங்க சார், அது நான் வந்து செகண்ட் லைன் படிக்கவே இல்லை. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் பார்த்த உடனே அந்த ஒவ்வொரு நம்பர்ஸ்க்கும் பிட்வீன்ல என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்குன்றத மட்டும் பார்க்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். அப்புறம் தான் தெரிஞ்சு பேர்ஸ் கேட்டிருந்தாங்கன்ட்டு. ஒரு லென்த்தியா ஒரு சம் மாதிரி சிங்கிள் டிஜிட்ஸ் போட்டு வந்திருந்தது இல்லைங்க சார்.
நீங்க வந்து என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னு தான் பார்க்கணுமே தவிர நம்பர்ஸ்குள்ள போக கூடாது. நான் நம்பர்ஸ்குள்ளே போல பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த क्वेश्चन நான் படிக்கல. நான் கீழ இருக்க பேச
கரெக்ட்டுங்க சார். அது வந்து நான் क्वेश्चन படிக்காமயே வந்து அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் பார்த்த உடனே அதுக்கான இது மட்டும் போடுறதுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டேன்.
நம்பர்ஸ் பார்க்க கூடாது.
ஓகேங்க சார். அது 2-3 விஷயம் நான் நிஜமாவே லேர்ன் பண்ணேங்க சார் நானு.
ஃபைன்.
ரொம்ப சூப்பரான இதுங்க சார். Thank you sir.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you. Anyone else?
Thank you for the shortcut tricks that will help us to solve those sums.
Definitely. But practice is the key.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Uma ma'am, Manimegle ma'am, how was the session?
Sir, very clear explanation. I can understand it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Uma ma'am, are you there?
Good evening, sir.
Madam, good evening. How was the session?
Sir, very good session, sir.
Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank
okay.
you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Fine. Any other feedback, suggestions? If not, we'll wind up the session. Okay, all right. Thanks for attending. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night. Thank you, sir.
Good night, all.